Welcome to another SEO tutorial. So this one is a relatively new feature that's kind of coming up on Google, and it's really pretty new for beginning of November 2020. And that is if you're logged into your account for Google, and that Google account manages some businesses, especially the website and the Google My Business listing. When you do a search for a town name, in this case we did King's Contrivance, which is in Central Maryland, and you'll see this. You'll see this where it says search performance for this query, and it'll show it specific to a website. Now I apologize, this is blurred, but this right up here will show you the website that it's checking the performance on. Right? And you can change a few things in here. Right? You can change this for the time period to see how it's been. And obviously the real key to this, you want to be able to see how your clicks are doing, how your impressions are doing, and that average position on the page, whether it's gaining or losing. So these links here for site performance, and to find out this information, this will actually take you over to the Google Search Console. All right, I hope that is helpful to you and that it will work and gets rolled out into your area soon so that you can check for these type of search queries for your website. Thanks. And I hope this helps.